For?
For.
For Grandpa?
For Grandpa.
And Uncle Jordan?
Uncle Jordan. For me.
Can you show me your oven?
What's that? Cookies. Cookies.
And what is that over there?
Huh? Oh no, it's fish.
Is that oven?
It's the oven.
Look at me. Look at me and tell me.
It's the oven.
It's the oven?
Yeah, right here.
Where are your cookies at in there?
My cookies in there.
What
you
is
can
it?
watch out my cookies.
Can you see them?
It's pink.
It's pink?
Yeah, my cookie's pink.
Are they cooking? Are they baking?
Here. Here.
Do they look good?
Pink. No, they're purple.
They're purple, huh?
They're purple for me.
Okay. Can you say yum yum?
Yeah.